is Joshua, and today we'll be creating a flyer using Corel Draw. So in this folder is where I have all the materials we'll be needing for this tutorial, and here is the banner, which is this, and then this is it, and then here is the background we'll be using, the background and the other files we'll be using. So let's get started by opening our Corel Draw. So once it has opened, we'll go to new document, and then we can name the document name flyer, and we say OK. It comes up with this working environment. So what we'll do is we'll save the work first. Control S. Okay, let's start something first before we save the work. So I'll go in here and pick the background I'll be using, copy and paste. Ctrl V for paste. So I'll enlarge the background to fit the size I want it to be. Jesus Christ, after that. Sorry, this is my touchpad, is my keyboard pad. It's giving me issues. So after this, I'll come in there and get my logo, copy and paste. As you can see that the logo is having a white background, so we'll learn how to remove a background using Corel Draw. So we'll click on after we select the logo, we'll click on edit bitmap. So once it has come up, you will just click on this arrow here, then you come to magic one, click on this one, and then you click on the white space. After, so it will highlight it, and then you just say Ctrl S. Now let's go back to our Corel Draw and see. You can see that the white background is no more there again. So smallen it and put up here just the same way it is in our this. So the next thing we write is Jesus chosen youth worldwide. So how do we write? We come to this is a text to say in capital letter Jesus chosen youth worldwide. It's supposed to be youth worldwide. And which font did I use there? I used I think I use this font, and I gave it a color of white. You can reduce the font size if you want to, say, to 20. So after that, the next thing we have in there is, let's see, present. So that present, now we just write it present, a white color also, and then use our pick tool to carry it. Like I said, my laptop mouse is having issues, so we'll reduce the size to, let's say, 14 or 16. Then we can use our shape tool to increase the space in between. You can see. So let's take it up a little bit. Next thing we'll be having is Jesus worship. Jesus worship. So Jesus worship. Jesus worship. You say Jesus in capital. Jesus worship. So I think it's the same font size with up. I used this and made it bigger. That would be the first background. Let me see again. Okay, first background is ash color. And see, and then I make it 2 by pressing Ctrl D. It comes up again, and then before then I'll give this one white. So before then I'll increase the outline of this one so it to be a little bit fat, and then I'll take this one inside it. Let's see. So we got that about that, and then let's cut it again. Then under it we have an experience, or what did I see there? A worship experience. So we'll write it there, a worship experience. In capital letter, sorry. A worship experience. So, and then make it bold. Give it a gold color, I guess. Gold color. Let's reduce it a little bit. We'll use, click on the text, and then size 18 will be enough, I guess. So let's so after that I'll come and get this image of the people in the background. So I'll come to the folder, then I'll take this image, copy it, and then paste it on the background. Ctrl V. You can see that it's also having a background also. So I have to crop the image and get the part I want alone before I remove the background. You see, I need all this part. Then I'll double click the inside. Okay, so after this I'll click on my edit bitmap again, then still using the same tool, and this I'll click inside and say Ctrl S. Now let's close this. You can see that the background is no more there, but there's still more backgrounds I need to remove. There's all this white, I have to remove them. So I'll click there again. It will come up again. So I will use the tool again, magic one, the same tool. Then I'll click on this to remove the white backgrounds in between them. Although you can't actually remove everything, but the little you can, just remove it. So I'll say Ctrl S. Now again, what I will do is that I'll change all the blue background into ash color. So let's finish editing first, then go back to our Corel Draw. Oh, it didn't work. Let's do it again. click here, click this to remove, click this again, no sorry, Ctrl Z, click this, make sure you click only the white place, Ctrl S, save. Let's say it's not moving, so let's delete it and bring it back again. We'll do the same thing we did the first time. Crop the image, click it 2 times, and click on our pick tool, come to edit bitmap, the same tool, click on it and say, just click on all the points you want to remove. Don't do it at once, if not so it might not want to work again. So then you say Ctrl S, let's view it. You can see. So the next thing we'll do is, sorry, Ctrl Z. What's wrong with this? So doing the program. Then the next thing we'll do is we'll have to make the blue part of the picture should be ash, as it is in the real work. So how do we do that? We have to close this one we opened before, close everything, and then we click it again. So now that it has opened again, we'll use that same tool, highlight hold your shift and highlight other places that we need to change to ash. Click on it, ouch, Ctrl Z, click on this. For this video I might not pick everything, but if you are doing your own, you can actually pick all the blues you want to pick. So I think I'll stop there, and then I'll have to fill it up with these colors here. I'll just click on this and click inside the place I mark 2 times, 1, 2, see it, go there, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So after I've done mine, I'll just say Ctrl S. Let's check and see what we have here. You can see. So now I'll have to make this one to be transparent. How do I do that? I come to, here's the tool, transparent tool. So I click on it, and then I will draw my transparent map like this. Click on it and drag it up. Oh, sorry, I have to do it downward because I want the alright, you can see that it's making sense little by little. So the next thing we'll be having is ministering. Yeah, pick two, give it okay, a good font. Just my keypad is disturbing me seriously. So a smaller size, like size 14. Bold and white color. So take it up So people that are administering, Ctrl D, make it 2, edit the other one, you tap it twice to highlight it, and then you change the text. Users chosen youth choir, and then after that you can highlight and take it up a little bit with your arrow button if you want to. Then we'll draw a cycle here. See, my mouse is touching and so on. Just draw one cycle, and then now to get your cycle to be straight, you have to hold your control while drawing to be straight. So after drawing, we'll give it color, this color. So we'll arrange it the way it works. Now it's time to get the other picture, so we click on, we copy this one and paste also here. So you see, this is the picture. I want to make it to be cycle, so we'll draw a cycle on the picture. Hold your control, and then we'll highlight both the cycle and the picture together. Only the cycle and picture. I will now come here and click on intersect this. Once we do so, we can now drag the picture away. You can see, delete this one. Delete the cycle you drew and take my mouse is giving me tough time, you see. My computer mouse is giving me issues. Let's see the original one I did. Okay, it's like same. The cycle is a bit darker. So, oh god, this mouse is killing me. So here's the darker one. I think it's okay like this. So our next one is to put the location. So to draw the location sign, we'll just get this tool. We'll change the number of angles to 3. Okay, 3. Then we'll draw it. Like this, give it a white color. So rotate the picture like this, and then we'll draw a cycle. Give it also a white color. So now we'll have to highlight the two of them and weld them together. Two of them like this. Weld them together. See, they're now one shape. So you can reduce the size of this, and then we'll draw. Oh god, just my mouse will not kill me. I will draw a oval shape like this. We'll give it a white color, and we'll make another one again. Ctrl D. Reduce it a little. And give it a black color. Then bring this one to the front. Object, order, bring to front of page. So we can now make another cycle to be inside this one. Put it inside this. That will be for the location. Group. How do I group? I highlight all of them and then I press Ctrl G to group everything together. So after that, I'm writing the address. What's the Savior City Church or stuff like that, and you can just put Venue Lagos State Polytechnic. And then reduce the font size. Since I use yellow in that place, or what did I use? Which color? Also gold. Something more than gold. I have something. Then you put the address under. I don't know. First gate, second gate, I don't even know. I can just say first gate. Let's make it initial caps. First gate. Corel Draw. There it goes. Just for example, that's why I'm using that one. Bold it, reduce the size to 14 or 816. And then we'll get what else we'll get here again? We'll get the date and time. That's the major thing there. So how do we do it? We come to our Corel Draw and then we'll come to text, come to insert symbol character. Okay, we'll click on this font and then we'll go down to Webdins, down to this one first. Let's check this one to see if we can get that calendar there. We'll scroll down, search with me if you can see anyone. Okay, I've seen it. This is it. So click and drag it to the working environment and give it a white background. You can see it. So all I will just do is to write Sunday 21st January. So it will be like this. Capital letter Sunday. The Sunday will be small, very small, like size 11. Bold it. Give it a white color. Don't mind my color palette is up instead of side, but I like it up there. Sunday, let's see, 27. Is a pick 2 and can give it a bigger font style, like let's say this one. No, let's use impact. It's my mouse there. Hey Jesus. So I'll increase the date a little bit, give it white also to the center. Sorry, I have to enlarge this so that it will be bigger. Oh, this my mouse is suffering me. See it. I'm clicking one thing and clicking another thing. Can you stop one please? That I'll have space for the what's it again? February 2021. So I'll make this one 2, Ctrl D. Now take it down there, change it to February. It's very big, and reduce it to fit in the February. Then 2020 can be the same font to this. (2021). Reduce the font size to 2. So you can move it. So I will group all of them together now. This and this. Ctrl G to group. So I'll take it up so that I'll have space for the time. Then I'll come down to get time again in this place if there is time. So as you can see, there is no time, so I'll still come back here again. Check the next one. This is windings. You can see there's time there, so I'll just click on any one I want to use. Put it there and give it a white color. Then shade. You can just give it any time you want to give it. Let's say 3 p.m. Bold, white color. Make it size. Oh god, this mouse is killing. Okay, make it size. Let's say size 18 and put it there. So after this, you can save your work so that it won't get missing. I'll save it in that same folder I have all my materials. So I'll save it here. Material needed. Flyer. Okay, save. So our work is saved now. Then after that, I think that's the last thing to do, or maybe in case you want to add this little thing and it's all about Jesus. How do you do that one? You just draw a box from here to this place. You give it an ash color. Remove the outline. How to give outline color? You right click. See that the outline color is out, and then make it 2. Ctrl D. I give this one a white color. So before then, you shape this one a little bit. You use your shape tool. You press Ctrl Q to convert the line to curve. And with this now, you can just adjust this one backward. Click on it and shift it backward. Well, for special tutorials on how to use Corel Draw better, you can always chat me up privately so that we can schedule a class. The same thing, Ctrl Q again. And with this now, you can now write something. It's all about Jesus. It's all about you. It's all about Jesus. So I think that's the last thing to do in this video. Hope you enjoyed yourself watching this video to the end. I know you say it's lengthy, but that's how it is. It's not something you can just do in a seconds and you think you're okay. So I'll group it all together. Ctrl G. See, I highlight all of them like this. Then I press my Ctrl G to group all of them together. And then we're good to go. See? You can now save the work. And then if you are to send it to somebody, you can always do what they call Jesus. See my mouse. I don't know what's wrong with this my mouse though. So we can always export it. Export the file. How do we export? We click on it, we come to file and see export. But before you export, to make sure there's nothing on the background before you export. There's nothing on the background, so you just say export. So we'll export this on the same folder, but we'll say new banner, new flyer, export. You can see that it has showing us how it will look like, so you can just say okay. What I try to do there is to convert the Corel Draw file into a JPEG file where you can share to anybody to view on their phone, so you can see it. New flyer. Once you open it, it will view as a picture. Let's see. It's our new work. So thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you again. Don't forget, if you have any problem with Corel Draw, you can always private chat me so we can schedule a class for lecture, time for lecture rather. Alright, bye.